So hey guys, what's up? Today is all my car alarms in Roblox games. Sorry, next up we have is my Lexus. Here it is. Yes, I saw him did the song. My Mitsubishi. We have my Volkswagen, my VW Jetta. This is my actual stuff recording the plates, but now we got Oklahoma plates. Next up, my OETL. Up my Mazda. Acura TL. We have my 06 Mustang. We have is my Sail Cheesy Ride. Shout out to us XD Demon. X Demon. Next up, my Crown Vic LX. Connecticut plates. This is my Wisconsin plates. Last but not least is we have my Cassius. This isn't my last one. My Mitsubishi. Next up we have is my Oldsmobile. This is the new color on top. My Volante XAB2. This is the same. I want to show you this. Next we have is Mazda. Floppy lights. Floppy lights. Floppy lights. Floppy lights. Floppy lights. Floppy my Western. Flappy lights, flappy lights, flappy lights. Yes, this is the plot. Here's the original 1994 original one. Flappy lights, flappy lights, flappy lights. At what time? This was recorded on Sunday, August 2nd, 1448, February 19th at 11:45 p.m. Bye, guys. This is a little bonus. That's a bonus, and bye.